is the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And all we have to do is walk our way through that, get the numbers in the right place, and then not make any mistakes when we simplify the whole thing. That's the hardest part usually. So I have the opposite of negative 6, which is 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 6 squared, minus 4 times a times c. The whole root thing is what you just did when we found the discriminant. All over 2 times a. So really finding the discriminant is not new because it's not separate from the quadratic formula because you find the discriminant when you're using the quadratic formula. So don't think of it as a separate thing that you have to learn, except to remember what it is. So now what you have to do is calculate that correctly, simplify your root correctly, and then check your triangle at the end. So under my root sign, my discriminant is 24. Now what we have to do is we have to simplify the square root of 24 correctly. 24 is 3222. So I have a pair of 2's and a lonely 3 and a lonely 2. And so 24 is 2 root 6. So my answer then becomes 6 plus 2 root 6 over 2. Root 24 becomes 2 root 6. Checking your triangle, it looks like I can divide each of those by 2, becoming 3 plus 1 root 6 over 1. The root 6 that's under the 6 that's under the root is separate from this triangle business. It's not involved in that. And then if you really want to look cool, you get rid of that 1 on the bottom. And your answer is 3 plus or minus root 6. Okay, you try this one all by yourself. See if you can solve that using the quadratic formula. Here we go. There's the quadratic formula. There's my setup. 2 plus or minus negative 2 squared minus 4 times 5 times 4 all over 10. Is that correct? So then we have 2 plus or minus root 4 minus 80 over 10, which means that our discriminant is negative 76. Knowing that, I know our answers are going to be imaginary, since our discriminant is negative. 76 is 2219, plus we have a negative 1 in there. So negative 76 is really 2i root 19 over 10. Check your triangle. Correct answer, 1 plus or minus I root 19 over 5.